Today, I'll be showing you guys how to use the best soundboard website and how to use it in real time in game, and they're all completely free. But before we do any of this, let me show you guys this soundboard site. So once you're on voicechanger.easyus.com, you will see a page that looks like this. And here you have over 100,000 sound effects y'all can use without doing any downloads or anything. The link is in the description, but let's go ahead, let's check out some. Are you getting Rizzy? Discord leave, okay. Yeah, that'll definitely trick some people. If you just go start playing that in random discords, they'll be really confused. You can see there are many different soundboard categories here, including memes, games, anime, music, and more. You can also directly search for any sound you want, making it incredibly easy and convenient to find exactly what you're looking for. If you're a content creator, this is easily one of the best soundboard websites you can use. But what if you want to do some soundboard effects while you're playing Roblox or in a game? Well, we got you covered. You can download VoiceWave real-time AI voice changer via the link in the description. Because I'm in Roblox right now, and I also do have VoiceWave open, and as you can see, I have their soundboard here, but they also have a built-in community library of sound effects. As you can see here, there are over 150,000 soundboard sounds available right inside the software. Yeah, an incredible number, and you can use them in real time during online chats with just a single click. Users can also upload their own sounds to the community library, making it even more fun and customizable. What I really want to emphasize is that all of these soundboards and the entire community library are completely free. Whether you're gaming, chatting with friends, creating content, or live streaming, you can use these sounds anytime to make your conversations and streams much more entertaining. So first, in order to get started with in-game trolling, you're gonna wanna go to your settings and then go to the settings section and then scroll down until you see your input device. Then you're gonna wanna select your input device as VoiceWave microphone. So let's do a little test and see if other people can actually hear a sound effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do our Vine build. Yep, that's a classic. All right, so how about we keybind it so we can use it easily in game without having to tab in and out. So let's go ahead, click on add keybind. Let's do it to V for Vine.
Bro, do you know where that big guy went?
I don't know about that guy, but can you hear this?
Yeah, okay, buddy.
We also have a built-in real-time voice changer. Let's see, let's just go for the e-girl. You can't go wrong with the e-girl.
What's up? I'm about to rizz you up, you know.
What's happening? What's happening? Discord.
And you can also upload your own audio to create a custom voice changer. All you gotta do is upload a voice clip of somebody, upload it, and you can clone their voice. And you guys can get a chance to get it for free if you just follow, comment, and in 3 days, someone will be randomly picked from the comments within a 7-day full license. Ay, pala is that some guys to Roblox?
Whatever you just said, re-say it because that was laggy.
Hey. Det är lugnt, se if ni finna see.
No, I'm not.
Let me turn I see.
Okay, that's corny. I already knew what you were gonna say.
Girl, come on, girl. Listen.
Okay, help.
What the hell? Gross.
So if you guys want to troll some Roblox scenes for yourself or use some of the soundboard options that there are tons of, make sure to check out, download and install VoiceWave in the link in the description, and go ahead and comment to win yourself a free pro license. Anyways, thank you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.